So the Apple iOS 16 is now live with awesome new changes, and in this video let's compare iOS 16 versus Android 13. So again, there are so many customization features in iOS 16, but A13 is not holding back in terms of personalization. The iOS 16 lock screen can now be customized, and there are so many options to pick from, like you can change the clock font and looks, you can change the color of clock from this color palette, and you can also add tons of new spatial widgets in iOS 16 lock screen, something which cannot be done in Android 13. The A13 can only show at glance widget, and of course you have this dual material hue clock, you can turn that off too. Now the last and main lock screen change Apple has done is live activities, which will show you all the things happening in real time, like your Uber location or food delivery time and all. That is awesome. Yes guys, I'll show you all how to get these iOS 16 features on any smartphone, so make sure to subscribe for that. See, in terms of lock screen notifications, the iOS 16 has this roll up from bottom design, which makes sure that you guys have a clear view of the lock screen and all the customizations you have done. The A13 however turns off dual clock and overflow the notifications like this. So that too is fine, but I like iOS 16 design a lot in there. This is the now playing interface of iOS 16 versus A13, looks fantastic on both. We have this squiggle progress bar in A13 which looks cool, and I like how you can enlarge the now playing on iOS 16 for more control. Best part is, on top of all this, you guys can create and use multiple lock screen on iOS 16. That is awesome. The home screen is same old on iOS, but A13 got awesome new material hue style widgets which I like a lot. And then we have the colorful icons which you can customize from this settings. The iOS 16 has same 90s icons and widgets we saw in iOS 14. The wallpaper settings has got some new changes in iOS. You guys can now turn off and turn on the blur and customize the home screen wall with tons of official live and static walls from Apple. Yeah, Pixel has this feature from A12 which is awesome. So not many changes in there, but the applications and the interface is new and featureful in both these OS. So here is dialer, messages. Yeah, you guys can now edit and unsend messages on iOS iMessage, which is nice. And there are some exciting memojis as well. The A13 got exciting stickers too, which is gonna turn your text into stickers. Looks fantastic, and of course I like how you can send location or movie plans via Assistant on Google Messages. Then this is the new camera UI of both these OS. There's new fitness application in iOS which use iPhone sensors to work, which is great. Then there is Apple Maps versus Google Maps. Apple has added new 3D texture to buildings and monument, but I think Google Maps is more reliable in terms of navigation. Finally, there is quick settings, which of course is subjective. The notification panel is separate in iOS, which I don't like much. And yeah, this is it in terms of the interface. Now the photos has huge change in iOS and A13. The A13 now has secure photo thing which lets you share the photos you want to share to any third-party applications. Like they won't see all the photos in your gallery. The iOS 16 has this share photos with your family feature, and now you'll have to use Face ID to access hidden and deleted photos, which is awesome. And now you can use live text in videos too. Now the settings is where there are tons of changes and privacy features in both iOS 16 and A13. So first off, we have a new connected device settings like AirPods control settings in my case, which is nice. So you guys can control and check the battery percentage of any Apple connected device from this page. We finally have the haptics for keyboard, which is also there in A13. Then there is personalized spatial audio, and then new family share plus parental control options. The A13 got tons of exciting features as well, like new privacy dashboard, new copy clipboard menu, and some new infographics. Yeah, there's so much more which I'll show you guys in my final official review video, so make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.